Good morning guys. Today I'm going to plant fuchsia, one of the favorite flowers of the hummingbirds, and the variety is wind chime. This plant is part sun, so I'm in a conundrum where to plant this one. It needs the direct morning sunlight and shade in the afternoon. This area here is shaded in the afternoon because of this tree. Here is a columbine flower, which is a companion plant for the fuchsia. So if I plant this one here, she got a friend.